Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the valve cover gasket on a Dodge Stratus or a Chrysler Sebring with a 2.4 engine, 4-cylinder. So first thing that we'll need to do is open the hood and we need to remove the ignition coil. Right there on the back we have two bolts with a 10mm wrench that you access. One right there. It's not very convenient place to be, but it's only two bolts. One there and one on this side. And after that we'll need to remove these two bolts. They're easy to access. You can even use a socket and a ratchet to remove them quick. Okay, as you can see, we removed the 4 bolts and now we need to remove the wiring. All you have is that red thing there that you need to push. This is a safety to prevent you from clicking on the clip. Right there, you need to push down now and pull. And this is the ignition coil itself. Okay, we removed the ignition coil and now right here we need to remove that hose. Right there, that's the oil breather hose, and this is a vacuum hose. Right there. So now, next thing that we will need to do is we need to get an 8mm socket and a ratchet, and we need to remove the bolts that hold the valve cover to the cylinder head. We have one there, one there, one there. We have one here, one right there, and 3 in the back and 1 on the side. So we need to remove all these bolts. Okay, so altogether we have 9 bolts with the 8mm socket. This is the last one that we have right now. So after that we should be able to pull the valve cover off. Sometimes they do get really stuck if they haven't been removed for a while. So you might need to use a little screwdriver to pry it open. Like, okay, in our case, you just come right off. Okay, and now there is that metal plate that you need to jump. So in order to do that, you need to lift it up and go in an angle like that. And this is the valve cover right there. And this is the gasket. It actually got stuck here. So we'll need to remove it. And when you install a new one, you always have to apply silicone in all corners. Right there, as you can see. All corners that you have, so you can avoid leaks. And you just get the new one, put it on the valve cover, put the valve cover back on the cylinder head, and that's how you replace the valve cover gasket. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you guys for watching us, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.